Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.7138 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.6558 1.7865. The earlier day close, 1.7060. The change was plus 0.0078, plus 0.46%. Converse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 6, cost 1.98 rands, high 2.12, low 1.84. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, April 7, cost 1.98 rands, high 2.12, low 1.84. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 10, cost 1.91 rands, high 2.04, low 1.78. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 11, cost 2.00 rands, high 2.14, low 1.86. And multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 12, cost 2.07 rands, high 2.21, low 1.93. Dogecoin estimate on Thursday, April 13, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 14, cost 2.08 rands, high 2.23, low 1.93. Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 17, cost 2.11 rands, high 2.26, low 1.96. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, April 18, cost 2.05 rands, high 2.19, low 1.91. In about 14 days Dogecoin estimate on Wednesday, April 19, cost 2.02 rands, high 2.16, low 1.88. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, April 20, cost 2.01 rands, high 2.15, low 1.87. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, April 21, cost 1.94 rands, high 2.08, low 1.80. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost 2.04 rands, high 2.18, low 1.90. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost 1.96 rands, high 2.10, low 1.82. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost 2.14 rands, high 2.29, low 1.99. Dogecoin gauge on Thursday, April 27, cost 2.04 rands, high 2.18, low 1.90. Dogecoin cost forecast on Friday, April 28, cost 2.07 rands, high 2.21, low 1.93. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 1.95 rands, high 2.09, low 1.81. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 2.05 rands, high 2.19, low 1.91. In about a month Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 2.13 rands, high 2.28, low 1.98. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 2.03 rands, high 2.17, low 1.89. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 2.09 rands, high 2.24, low 1.94. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. To start with cost at 1.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.29, while low cost 1.35. They found the middle value of cost 1.77. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 2.07. Change for April 51.1%. Dogecoin conjecture for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 2.07 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.57, while low cost 1.81. They found the middle value of cost 2.21. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 2.40, change for May 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. Before all else cost at 2.40 rands. Excessive cost 2.40, while low cost 2.07. They found the middle value of cost 2.28. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 2.23, change for June 7.1%. Dogecoin gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 2.23 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.23, while low cost 1.86. They found the middle value of cost 2.08. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 2.00, change for July 10.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. In the first place cost at 2.00 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.48, while low cost 2.00. They found the middle value of cost 2.20. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 2.32, change for August 16.0%. Dogecoin gauge for September 2023. In the first place, cost at 2.32 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.32, while low cost 1.81. The found the middle value of cost 2.10. Dogecoin cost gauge toward the month's end 1.95, change for September 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. In the first place, cost at 1.95 rands. Excessive cost 1.95, while low cost 1.53. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.77. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.64, change for October 15.9%. Dogecoin figure for November 2023. Initially cost at 1.64 rands. Excessive cost 2.03, while low cost 1.64. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.80. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.90, change for November 15.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. Initially cost at 1.90 rands. Excessive cost 2.17, while low cost 1.89. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 2.00. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 2.03, change for December 6.8%. Dogecoin figure for January 2024. Initially cost at 2.03 rands. Excessive cost 2.03, while low cost 1.76. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.93. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.89, change for January 6.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1.89 rands. Exorbitant cost 2.12, while low cost 1.84. They found the middle value of cost 1.96. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.98. Change for February 4.8%. Dogecoin estimate for WAC 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1.98 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.98, while low cost 1.54. They found the middle value of cost 1.79. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.66, change for spring 16.2%. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost, cost at 1.66 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.66, while low cost 1.29. They found the middle value of cost 1.50. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.39. Change for April 16.3%. ZAR to Doge conversion standard equivalent to 0.5835 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.5597 minus 0.6039. The earlier days nearby 0.5862. Change for now 0.0027, 0.46%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Thursday, April 6, cost 0.505 coins, high 0.543, low 0.472. ZAR to Doge expectation on Friday, April 7, cost 0.505 coins, high 0.543, low 0.472.